we have the contract amount for the 1,000. You can get it here already. You have the contract amount for the 1,214 flood control projects of Diskaya from 2016 to 2025. It's roughly close to 80 billion pesos. 77.9, so 78 billion pesos. 77.9 billion pesos. Teka, sorry, mali yata yan. 77 billion, tapos ang estimated penalties mo, 300 billion. Ba't nga? Kasi 250 million yon per contract.
FC lang yan.
Hindi, FC lang, no? So anyway, so yan ang, sigurado kayo dyan, ha? So yari nga, mas magaki pa ba yung penalty niya dun sa contract amount na yan. Pero anyway, ano naman yan, no? This is just the maximum, no? The maximum penalty is 250 million per contract. But I guess that depends on how much the contract is, no? So we will leave it up to PCC what the penalties will be. But that is the maximum contract based on the law, on the Competitiveness Act. Malaki yan. 77 billion. Ang laki yan. Ang laki yan. Ganto na ga. Ang budget ng buong Department of Transportation in 2025 ay 80 billion lang. So yung kontrata pa lang nila Diskaya, mas malaki na sa budget ng buong DOTR for 1 year. So, go figure, guys. Okay? 80 billion lang ang budget ng DOTR. Isang buong ahensya na yun. DOTR na yun, ha?
Pag-departamento na pala yung budget.
Well, of course, ilang taon din yan. No? Pero malaki pa rin yun. Okay?